Hey gang, real quick, this video you're about to see I shot yesterday when this Wagner came in. I made a boo-boo about the hopper. I'll explain it at the end, so just stay tuned until the end. Howdy, howdy. I don't know if I've ever done one of these videos before, so today, I may have, we're up around 100 videos now, so today I am doing an unboxing of a Wagner Power Tex. I used to have one of these about 9-10 years ago, something like that, and I liked it. Worked well for me. I just, when I was moving, had a bunch of stuff I had to get rid of because I just didn't have the room at this place. Actually, I think I got rid of it before then. I don't remember, but I got rid of some stuff I didn't use a lot. And guess what? Now in this remodel job I've got, I was sitting there the other day figuring up, we have 5 new sheets of sheetrock. We got a kitchen ceiling as well as a surround around there. It's about 18 inches where the of sheetrock where the suspended ceiling was. And I was figuring up 8 cans of this Pro Formula texture from Homax. And they're about 20 bucks a can. So that was 160 bucks. And the lady was like, wow, that's a lot of money for texture. I said, you know what? I've been aiming to buy this tool. It's an electric spray texture gun. I said, let me buy that. And then all you're on the hook for is my labor and a pail of all-purpose mud. So anyway, got this off Amazon. There's a link down below to it. There you go. There you go. There you get to see it. Basically, let's see if I can find a good close-up picture. And I had this came today. There we go, right here. Basically, this little thing right here is an electric blower motor, and then your hopper, which is right here, not this tag, I was cut off. Your hopper is up here. The mud flows down through here just by gravity, and this blows it out through these nozzles. And I used it for knockdown texture, and it worked good. So I went and ordered some more. So it says right here, hello finishes. I don't know if you can see this right here. Yes, let me get that a little closer. Okay. I had no idea if the camera focused or not. So anyway, let me cut this bad boy open. Get this. I mean, they shipped it from Kentucky with this 1/4 inch wide tape holding it on. Reminds me of when I used to ship stuff on eBay. Boy, I have some stories that I used to, stuff I, couldn't find boxes. Well, they got it boxed up pretty good though. Okay. Cardboard. First off is the hopper. Now the hopper comes with a little O-ring. Okay, from past experience, do not lose that little O-ring. You need it. Now the hopper sits on the gun 2 ways. One, if you want to texture walls. I believe it goes this way for walls. Well, let me get it unboxed. Then we'll talk about the... Yeah, I mean, this is like Buck Rogers or something right here, right? There you go. It tells you how to... Now this one is a little stiffer than what I remember the other one, but anyway, hello. Now here, your hopper twist seats on right here. Here's the nozzles. I don't know which nozzle this is. If I remember right, they're probably color coded. Let me see what else we got. Here's the motor. They got it protected. That's good because this twists onto the back. Well, hold on. Let's just put this bad boy together right here. You have alignment. If you can see that little mark right there. It says lock and unlock. So Let's see. I think there's only one way it will go in, if I remember right. Yeah. There you go. Twisted it on. And here's the marks. So, and it, you know, it sits on your arm. Like I said, Buck Rogers saw. Ray gun. I don't think that's right. What do you mean read the instructions? Nobody reads the instructions. Women folk read the instructions. Not us guys. We'll tear it up before we read the instructions. I think it will go pretty much anyway. Okay, there you go. There we go. A little tighter. There's the mark there on the housing and mark on the motor. There we go. I thought the switch, is the on-off switch, set up, if I remembered right. Okay, now I got it. See, I didn't need no instructions. Anyway, the hopper will go. And I bought this off Amazon. I think it was around 90 bucks. And Lowe's, and my local Lowe's and Home Depot have them for like 110. So that's why. The hopper also the same way. We twist in there. Goes this way. Boom. That's 4 walls. And then you can turn it around for... Well, let me get this on here. I still got 2 hands now. There, that's for the ceilings, you know, so it will feed down. And let me see if they put the other. What else is in the box? Aha! Oh wow! See, I don't remember this with my old one. It may have come with it. I just don't remember it. A little cleaning brush. That's nifty. And here are the other 2. Well, here's the other 2 nozzles. And I'm sure those instructions tell you which color does which. Best I remember, I used the yellow one for knockdown. Don't take my word on it. But, you know. Cleaning this thing is also really easy. Really necessary. Not just cleaning the hopper out. Let's see if we can. Let me take that off. But cleaning all this up in here. I don't know if you can see that. This is a little plastic ring with a little I don't know, teeth or something sitting down in there. And that's part of what breaks up the mud as it comes out. And you know, when you pull the trigger, I don't know if you can see that either. When you pull the trigger, this opens up. And you can, if you just need light, you just barely pull it. Or if you need a heavy, you can open it up and that mud will come down. Now, you do have to have the right mud mixture. But this little tool here, I'm assuming, is cleaning all that, because that can be a pain in the butt to get all that mud out after you use it, especially if you use it quite a bit during one day and some of it's kind of got dried in there. But you really want to clean this when it is your mud's still wet. Don't let it set up. Take it from me, don't let it set up. Don't well, I'm going to come back, I'm going to do that other room, and then get off doing something else. Forget about it till you go to bed at midnight and go, I left that mud in the hopper, and you go, and it's a pain. But this tool, like I say, I had the spray hopper from Harbor Freight. I made the modifications to it so that my small compressor could run, but it's a pain in the butt. You know, I think I gave $25 for that, and it's not something you're going to do for a small texture job. So this here, to me, would I use it just to, like say, a sheet of plywood, sheetrock? Probably not. I'd probably go with the Homax cans, because you can get about a coverage of one sheetrock with one Homax can, and unless you want it really heavy. But because this, you have to clean this up. I mean, that's the biggest pain of this. You have to clean the hopper gun up too, but If I remember right, my hopper gun holds more of this. This holds about a gallon of mud. And you mix it up. You want it to be the consistency. Everybody says pancake batter. Well, everybody I know makes pancake batter a little different. So you want it to where it will just fall off your knife, but not run off, but not stick either. Because if it's real thick, it ain't getting through this. So you'd rather have it a little bit thinner than a little stiffer. So anyway, I'll be using it at that remodel job. I'll try to get a video of it and show you how well it does. Like I said, I really like the other one. It was just one of those tools that every time I went to do something, it was in my way. Especially, you know, the hopper's pretty good size. Like I said, it's a gallon. I think on my hopper gun from Harbor Freight, I don't know, it may be a gallon, maybe 2 gallons. It seems like it's bigger than that, but it holds a good amount of mud, and I'd use that on for like whole rooms. Once scraped off popcorn ceiling a whole house and went back and textured it, primered it, and textured. You talk about a day job. I had a helper then. Oh gosh, we finished like 14 hours later, and we were whooped right before Christmas that year. So anyway, I just thought I'd show you that. Like I said, it's I love these things, and they'll make you some money if you're a handyman. Ceilings, walls. I'm trying to see if I missed anything. You know, don't have extension cord. I plug it in and let you hear it. It does sound like a little jet. So here's some of the features here. Of course, you can look all this up yourself, but you know, hey, you're already seeing. I don't know what you can see or what you can make out. I hope you can make it out, but if not, go check it out. Like I said, I'll have a link to Amazon below, and look for a how to use it video sometime in the near future, like the next couple months or something. I don't know when I'll get that out. So anyway, hey, thank y'all for watching Donald Blue Collar DIY. Check out the blog, bluecollardiy.com. Like and subscribe down below. So if y'all use this, let me know. Let me know your experience with it. So anyway, yeah, good, you know. Anyway, let me know. I'll be interested in your experiences with it, because like I said, I had one 9 or 10 years ago and I loved it. Some people don't, but then again, I understand some people just, for whatever reason, they're not going to be able to like hardly anything. So anyway, let me know. Donald Blue Collar DIY. Thank you for watching. Catch you on down the road. Bye-bye. So yesterday I was showing you the hopper here. And what I didn't realize when I went back and looked at the video was I had it like something like this. That's not right. This O-ring has to go all the way down in here. And what it is, there's only one way this will go in. You have flats on each side. Well, this is a long flat. This side is just short flat. And that helps it twist lock. But it also helps you only go in one way. So the short flat goes toward the front, and you sit it seated in. And for the ceiling, you turn it to the front, and it'll kind of snap in. And for walls, because see, you'll be, you know, if you're ceiling, you get fit. Now for the walls, it goes this way. And it just, but if you can see the O-ring, it's not seated. But there's only one way it goes in, the short flat and long flat. So anyway, thank y'all for staying tuned and seeing that. I watched the video and what was I thinking? So, because if you see the O-ring, it's not seated. So thank y'all. Get you on down the road. Like and subscribe. Check out the blog. Thank y'all.